mo, di ba?
Ex. Oo, and gusto na namin malaman. As we're grateful for the ex, syempre our media friends, our guests here would love to know how does it feel like to be finally part of this campaign with McDonald's celebrating World Egg Day with our mga McLovin friends. Anong pakiramdam?
McLovin.
Ako ulit. Okay. Sige, ikaw naman.
Ito talaga.
So, ako po, ang nararamdaman ko po talaga is ang saya to be part of this kind of family na naging household name na, diba? Parang dito nagbo-birthday palagi. Tapos ngayon, I get to celebrate this special day with my friends, diba? With my good friends, my co-ambassadors. So, ang saya lang and to finally be part of this kind of family na, thank you! And now, I get to celebrate this day also with our friends, not just from the press, also my fans, my supporters, a lot of people today. And, andun sila sa likod. Ayun, Barbie Natics, let's go!
Yes!
Ayan, yes, gumising sila ng maaga. Oo. So, ayan, masaya kasi di ba marunong na rin si Mami? Yes! Di ba yung kanya? Ang dami mo sinasabi. Sabi ko. Ayan, very, very happy and grateful to McDonald's for entrusting me and Davey to be part of the family. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Palakpakan natin everybody in the store. Grabe! And of course, Philip!
Yes, hello. Sure, Barbie and I are really grateful na nabigyan kami ng opportunity para maging ambassadors ng McDonald's. Dahil alam naman natin na ang McDonald's ay napakatagal na, di ba? And I remember pinanood ko pa yung movie, yung Founder, kung paano nagsimula yung McDonald's. And yeah, so yun yung story ng founder talaga. So, oo, di ba? Grabe yung pinagdaanan niya. So, yun, and to be part of it, sobrang nakakatuwa. And ngayon na nasa World Egg Day tayo, sabi nga ni Alden, dapat di natin ma-take for granted yung mga ganitong celebrations. Right? So, yeah, I'm very much grateful.
Can you give some love, everybody, to David? So grateful, so introspective.